Hello everyone. I just made a whole video and it got erased, so I'm doing it again. If you're watching this video, it's because you're somebody amazing. It's because you've done so much AutoCAD that you have gotten bored of it and that you want to move up and you want to move on and you want to learn something else that is related to the field of architecture, engineering, or construction. Okay? So if you're watching this video, I want you to know that you can count on me. I became a professional, and you may not know this, I became a professional at Revit just last night. And so I'm about to teach you how to learn Revit. I became a professional at how to teach you Revit. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You are going to open Chrome. You are going to type Houston Public Library. Enter. You're going to push the first one, HPL. You're going to go up here to research. By the way, welcome to HPL, Houston Public Library. Click research, click A to Z databases. You are going to go down to databases found and you are going to click on the L. Click on the L and then scroll down till you see this popular little blue box next to LinkedIn Learning for Library, okay? LinkedIn Learning, by the way, y'all, is something that you got to pay for, but not you because you're a high school student. Everything's free when you're a high school student, so maybe you don't want to graduate. I don't know. You have to, weigh your opportunity costs there. Anyway, you probably want to graduate, but go ahead and click on LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning has some amazing stuff, and I'm about to purchase it for my own self. Except I'm a teacher, so I get it for free. Click on Get Started. And what you're going to do, your library card number is specific. So listen to this. Your library card number starts with the first letter of your last name, capitalized. So if your last name is Aguilera, you're going to do a capital A and then your student ID number. Okay? And then your PIN is 4 digits. Guess what it is? Your birthday, month, day. So if your birthday is March 27th, you would type 0327. Okay? My birthday is November 12th, so I'm going to type 1112. Right? And then for teachers, it's capital F. 0. So I just put in my own, so don't worry about that. Okay, once you do the first letter of your last name, your ID number, and then your month, day, click continue. You are in for free, my friends. You have exclusive access. You are going up to search for blah, blah, blah. So type in Revit, y'all. 96 course results. Click Revit. All right. Some of you really appreciate your freedom more than you should. So some of you are going to say, I don't want to do the one that Mr. Head told me to do. Well, you know what? If you are doing solid work each class, I will let you pick which course you want to do. However, I super encourage you, and I'm actually going to like you more if you just go ahead and just do the second course, okay? Why should I do the second course? Look, the first one's 13 hours. You want to do a 13-hour course? Yeah, right? Some of you can't pay attention for 13 minutes, okay? So just keep that in mind, all right? Look, this one's only 5.5 hours. How many days should this take you? Maybe 2 weeks to finish, okay? All right, 2 weeks because we're not in here every day, right? So let's just do the second course. And look, it's most up-to-date, Learning Revit 2023. Okay, so let's do this one together. Learning Revit 2023. Let's click it. Okay, I'm going to show you what's happening. All right, so this is good stuff. This is gold. This is gold. This is like a gold mine right here, okay? And here's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the features that are on this, okay? So first of all, you have your table of contents over here on the left, all right? So you can close it, but I'd really like for you to keep it open. So click on contents. You have all your contents here. Introduction, just skip it. It tells you how to download it, how much it costs, which version you should use, yada, yada, yada. That doesn't apply to you. You're a high school student. You can worry about this when you have to pay for it, when you're a real adult. Go ahead and minimize it. You can minimize each chapter by clicking this little arrow. Let's go ahead and minimize all the chapters. Okay. Here are all the chapters in this course: getting started, building a model, working with views, creating documentation, collaborating with others, which you will do as an architect, creating output, and conclusion. Y'all, I don't know how to do any of this. I didn't learn how to do this. I became a professional at teaching you how to learn it. And this is how I'm teaching you how to learn it. I'm bringing you to the right place. So you're welcome. All right. I'm at school, and I'm still at school, y'all, and it's 5:46 p.m. Okay. So just appreciate me. Okay. Second of all, I'm bringing you to stuff that's made by real professionals, y'all. Okay. Paul F. Aubin. You got to know he's a professional just by reading his name. All right. And also it says he's an author and a consultant. Consultants make a ton of money. And so what this guy's teaching, he's not a high school teacher, y'all. He's not just some high school teacher trying to come up with stuff, at last minute. Okay. He's a professional. And so the stuff that he's teaching you here is stuff that they're doing in the real world. Stuff that the actual professionals are using. All right. Why do you want to learn this stuff? Because at the end, when you finish this course, follow my cursor, you get something called a certificate. Okay. Show all. You get a certificate. You can't see it right now because, I didn't earn it yet. But once you get it, you get to post it on your LinkedIn. None of you have a LinkedIn, but maybe I can teach you how later if you're actually going to try to become an architect, right? You get a certificate, and if you get a certificate, and guys, there's courses in AutoCAD as well. So if you get a certificate in one of these courses, that is definitely something that can go on your resume. Okay, it's not a certification. Certification. Certification requires an exam online, like our AutoCAD certification. Those are even more difficult to get. Certificates are like tiny certifications. They still look good on a resume. They look great, actually, especially at the high school level. So once you finish this, and it's much easier than a certification, it'll look great on your resume, okay? Another amazing thing about this, and this is my last point, please stay with me. Another amazing thing about all this is that as you go through these videos, you watch video by video by video, he's going to walk you through how to do certain things on Revit. Okay, so specifically, he teaches you how to open a specific file. Okay, and where do you find these files? These files come free with the course. We go down here. Okay, exercise files. So these are the two things you want to look at: exercise files and certificates. Your exercise files, click Show All, then click Download, and then you open it. All those files that he's showing right here will be there. Okay, he's going to open the restaurant Revit file. RVT stands for Revit. And then it opens a full-on smacking restaurant, professionally made, and you're going to be able to play with it, edit it, and stuff like that. So you're going to get real world stuff all for free, y'all. And then it's going to improve your resume. So this is real stuff. Am I going to make you do it? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You have to do work in my class. You're in class. It's school, not playtime. So anyway, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. I'm glad I'm making your life better. Please let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and get started.